Good morning, y'all. It's Yolanda B. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I hope that you would consider subscribing. And if you've seen my face before, then welcome back to the channel and thank you for returning. Today is the day, y'all. We are finally headed over to my daughter's house to get this DIY patio project started, y'all. This will be part 2 of the project, y'all. I just wanted to pop in and get this video introduced, and I will pick y'all up when we get to my daughter's house. See you there. Finally, I'm back. It's Yolanda B, and we are finally back for part 2 of this DIY patio in my daughter's backyard. The rain has finally let up. The sun is shining bright, and we out here we go, y'all. Now we are taking the pavers from over here, where we've had them stacked up for several weeks now, over to the area where the patio is going to actually be. And right now we're just kind of dry fitting it, laying them down to see exactly the layout and where we're going to go. Our initial thought was we were going to put it over here up against the house, but the land goes downward this way towards the house. So water sets up back there. So we didn't want to take the chance of putting the patio over there and it collecting water. So over here is where it's going to be. Stay tuned while we transport these bricks, y'all. It's hot. And that's it for now. It's a knife that was buried. That we found a knife.
Buried treasure.
This was very hard work, and it was our very first time doing anything like this. So please bear with us and don't come for me too hard in the comments, y'all, because we doing the best that we can. We thought that we were going to dig this whole area out and then lay down the cardboard, but that was a lot of work. So we decided to just fill that hole in the center and then go ahead and lay the cardboard down after I did a little bit of weed whacking to cut that grass down really low. So it's not going to be perfect, but it will be comfortable, and she'll have a place to just come out and relax in her backyard.
Listen, this is Yobi's sister. Thumbs down to the amount of bugs out here. I already got bit several times. No free feet pics, but trust me, the mossies love me.
Okay, now we're at the stage where we're putting down cardboard. One of my subscribers recommended this, so that's what we're going to try. We're going to put the cardboard down, then we're going to lay the sand, and on top of that we're going to lay the pavers. So over here, this is the gazebo. This is more cardboard, and this is the big gigantic box that the gazebo came in. So you can see unpacking it now and getting ready to try and assemble it. So I'll check back in with y'all when we get a little bit more accomplished. Okay, y'all, we've been working and we've been at it. I am sweaty, hot, and tired, but we pushing on. So now we're putting down the sand on top of the cardboard. So we making progress slowly but surely. Let me walk y'all over here so y'all can see. So now we're gonna spread this sand out all over the cardboard, and then we're gonna put the pavers. We'll take the pavers and put them on top of that. So we're getting it done slowly but surely. know y'all keep hearing that rooster in the background in the video, so I'm finna show y'all what he looks like. He a big boy too. Can y'all see him over there? There's Mr. Cock-a-doodle-doo. That's that guy y'all been hearing in the videos. You better stop before I pluck him and fry him up. We are more than halfway done. So once we get all the pavers laid, then that's going to be our stopping point for today. And then we'll come back tomorrow and go ahead and assemble the gazebo. So I just wanted to check in with y'all and show y'all how far we've gotten. But we still out here and we still working. And I'm still hot and I'm still sweaty. So this concludes this portion of the video. This is part 2. We got the foundation laid down. So I'm gonna walk over here and show y'all what we got accomplished for today. And then tomorrow we'll come back and assemble the gazebo. So we got the whole patio laid down. This part right here, we're gonna just come back with a box cutter and cut the excess cardboard off. Some of the bricks are not level, so we're gonna lift some and put some sand under them to level them out. So if you look at it, you can see some of them are taller than others, but tomorrow we will come back and fix that problem. So this is it for today. Y'all stay tuned for part 3, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.